Glam Kitchen gang and new viewers. This is Shantae with the Glam Kitchen, and today we're gonna make some top tier tender oven ribs. The full recipe and measurements are available at the recipe link in the description box. For this recipe, I am using pork St. Louis style ribs. You're gonna need a large baking sheet and you're gonna put a sheet of foil over it. You're gonna add your slab of ribs. My ribs have already been cleaned and trimmed. And now we're ready to season. Season with all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder. You're gonna squeeze some Dijon mustard along the slab. Rub it in. Now flip your ribs over because we're gonna do the exact same thing to the top side of the slab. And we're going in with the same seasonings, your all-purpose, your garlic powder, onion powder, your chili powder. Squeezing another line of Dijon mustard onto this side. Rub it in, rub it in, rub it in. And finally, we're gonna dash a little Worcestershire sauce over the slab. That word always sends me. We're gonna cover this with another piece of foil, and then we're gonna just kind of wrap it up. So just watch how I'm doing it. We're just closing it in, making sure that it's fully closed, okay? Our ribs are ready for the oven. We're gonna put this in at 300 degrees for 2 hours. I like to make a little jazzed up barbecue sauce. You're gonna add your favorite barbecue sauce, honey, and brown sugar. Go ahead and give this a good stir. Set your sauce aside until the ribs are done for the 2 hours. Okay, so these are our ribs. They have cooked for 2 hours on 300 degrees. You want to brush about a half to 3/4 of your barbecue sauce over your ribs. We are putting the ribs back in the oven to cook for another 30 minutes on 375, and this is what they look like when they are all done. You're gonna brush the rest of your barbecue sauce over the ribs prior to serving. These are legit the best oven ribs ever, and I'm not just saying that because I wrote the recipe. Just look at this. I mean, why do you even need to buy ribs out anymore? Look at this. And there you have it. Top tier Glam Kitchen oven ribs. They are delicious and very, very tender. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you're following the Glam Kitchen on Instagram, and until next time, bye-bye.